Hello everybody, wanted to share some progress with you. So I made the first set of titanium scales for the prototype, and I've got a little bit of a two-tone anodize on there. It's kind of hard to see right now with this the way it is, but yeah, the knife itself is coming out great. Really liking the titanium scales. It weighs it down. It ups the weight quite a bit more. I gotta see what the actual final weight is. But I actually like it. It's very solid feeling now, compared to with the micarta. The micarta makes it much lighter, but I haven't dismissed the idea of, on the actual frame pieces, going in and cutting some lightning pockets, some pockets just to remove some material down inside the frame, and then also in the scales themselves to remove some weight from this thing. But this is like a brown anodize, and the camera is not picking it up well, but the actual anodize on the frame is like a salmon color. It's almost like a pinkish color. It's a nice two-tone. I actually kind of like it. But nice big chamfer on all the edges. It's kind of hard to get it to focus on the chamfer. A nice big edge break on all the corners. And really, to be honest, the titanium's not super slippery the way it is right now. I'm not against putting a pattern on it, I just haven't done one yet. See if I can get it to focus when it's like that. The alignment on everything's, it doesn't want to focus. Everything lines up real well. I have to countersink the one screw a little bit that's underneath the scale. Notice it's got that raised just a tad bit because the head's not all the way down. But yeah, now I cut these pivot pockets much larger because I have some other pivots coming in that have titanium heads on them. So it's titanium hardware. So these pockets are extra big at the moment. But yeah, that's the progress update for now. Feel free to leave any comments, ask any questions, and yeah, the material for the pocket clips, hopefully, I have to go to Texas next week. Hopefully the material for the pocket clips will be in by the time I get back, and then I can start machining the pocket clips. I've decided to go the billet route, as you guys have seen the design. So, all right, thanks guys.